Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best cash app alternatives. So let's quickly dive into it. If you're looking for apps that do what Cash App does, just better in certain areas, free top alternatives stand out. Like Venmo is great for social payment and quick transfer with an easy feed and strong buyer's protection. PayPal is the safest choice for online shopping and business payment, especially if you need a dispute resolution, and Chime also work best if you want simple banking with no fee, instant transfer, and a debit card that is easier to manage. You can also look at Zelle for instant bank-to-bank payment with zero fee, or Revolut for another people who need international transfer and budgeting tools. Each platform beats Cash App in different ways, whether it's security fee, global support, or protection, name it. It beats Cash App in every ways. And that's it. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more quick finance tips, and comment which app you want me to review next. And that's it.